Welcome to the revolutionary world of friction stir welding, where precision and innovation converge. Introducing a game-changing solution. Discover the remarkable potential of FSW technology in steel welding. As part of the Resurgam project, friction stir welding steel is possible with the Element 6 PCBN solution. Its structure is similar to a classic FSW tool, so it can be mounted on an FSW head in your CNC machine. The first step is to clamp the steel plates for welding. This ensures stability and precision throughout the welding process for flawless results. Let's begin the friction stir welding operation. The FSW tool starts its rotation to penetrate the parts to be welded. As the Element 6 tool rotates over the steel plates, it generates intense frictional heat and mechanical mixing. Steel becomes red at temperatures above 1000 degrees Celsius. Welding 3 mm steel parts requires only 14,000 newtons, a CNC machine, and a standard FSW head. This innovation is a major breakthrough for the world of welding. Made of PCBN, the FSW tool can withstand temperature of up to 1300 degrees Celsius and resist to creeping. It's now possible to weld steel with a Stirweld FSW head directly in your CNC. Interested? Contact us!